Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. I'm so excited to announce that I'm now an influencer of the brand KADS. You can shop for KADS products at kadsnailart.com, and you can use my 10% discount coupon code KADS honeycrunch321. And for today, I'm sharing with you guys my first PR package from them. We have 6 stamping plates, and first we have is KADS Immaturity 025. Next is KADS Nature 059. Third we have is KADS Nature 045. Fourth we have is KADS Immaturity 021. Fifth we have is KADS Min 030. And lastly we have this KADS Zoo 019. I'm super excited to try these stamping plates. Which stamping plate would you want me to try out first? Leave them on the comment section. Oh, and never forget to use my 10% discount coupon code when shopping at KADS Nail Art. It's KADS honeycrunch321. You can visit their site on the description box below, and don't forget to follow KADS on their official social media pages. I'll also be leaving them on the description box below. And of course, I would like to thank KADS for all of these. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!